everyone, I'm Dr. Febin. I'm a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Malabar Hospitals, Calicut, Kerala. Here now I'm sitting at the Medicity, Gurugram. I've come here for a 3-week course, that is a 2-week course in laparoscopy and 1-week course in hysteroscopy. I have finished my course very successfully, I can say. I have been awarded DMAS, FMAS and my experience certificate in hysteroscopy. The 3 weeks which I spent over here, I feel was very much helpful for me. I am a basic learner when it comes to laparoscopy, and the lectures and the training they have given to me over here was really helpful. It has given me a sense of confidence that I can move on. Yes, I can do something in the field of laparoscopy. I had stayed here, my accommodation was here only, and the place is really clean and safe. As far as the academics is concerned, we have got such great senior doctors who took classes for us on various subjects, including the main ones like energy sources and instruments, of which you should have a very thorough knowledge. After that, we were given endo training in endo trainers on different tissues, and we were actually taught to have that confidence in us that you can go on. I think that's the most important thing we all should have. The faculty over here helped us in all the ways they could have. I feel happy that I came to know about this place from one of my friends. Then I searched in the internet to know about it. I made multiple calls to staff over here who were always very patient to answer all my questions and queries. And finally here I am after the 3-week course for which I came from the very south of India to the north of India. I thank you everyone, and I would encourage anyone who wants to take up laparoscopy basic course to come over to Medicity to find their dreams come true. Thank you.